In this video, I'm going to show you how much money you can make from the Pictory Affiliate Partner Program. So on this website right here, we can just read that it tells you that you can make up to 50% recurring commissions, and you can get a free lifetime account and $1,000 cash bonus just for referring people. But that's a little bit misleading, so let's keep reading a little bit further here. First, you actually have to sign up for a free Pictory trial account, and you can do that using the link in the description. And then you'll start earning recurring commissions just by recommending people, because once you create your free trial account, you actually get your own your affiliate link and your discount code in the actual dashboard. So once you sign in, and so you can just start sharing that link. And so by default, they've got a few different tiers of your partnership. Right off the bat, once you first start, you're going to be getting 20% commissions for every subscription. And then what's really cool about the Pictory affiliate program is that you also get 10% commission paid to your sub affiliates. So if you refer someone, like if someone signs up using your link and then they also become an affiliate and they refer someone else, you're actually going to get a 10% of whatever they're making, which is pretty insane. I don't know of a lot of legitimate software affiliate programs that actually offer this kind of structure. So you can probably make a ton of money if the people you refer also become affiliates. So that's the basic standard affiliate partner. And so the next one here is the VIP one, which is after you refer the 50th paying customer, you're automatically going to be in the VIP status. And now you can make 30% on all your subscriptions instead of 20. Well, on all new subscriptions. So the old ones that you did before, the 49 before, would still be at that 20%, I guess. And you would also get a unique promo discount code, which would make it easier for you to actually promote this and get more people to sign up. And you also get a free 1 year premium Pictory account, which is useful if you're already using Pictory yourself. Then you've got the Super Affiliate Partner Program, where after you refer the 250th paying customer, you're now going to start getting 40% on all your new subscriptions instead of 30. And you get a free lifetime Pictory premium account. So if you're using Pictory a lot, this is a pretty useful thing to get here. And the next one, the final one, is the Mega Affiliate Partner, where you have to refer 500 paying customers, and now you can make that 50% that they mentioned earlier. And you will also get a one-off $1,000 cash payment as well. So this is how it works with Pictory. You can make quite a bit of money, and if you refer a lot of people, you can make like I'm sure some of the big influencers and YouTubers that are including their links in their description. I'm sure many of them are in the mega partner, the mega affiliate status, and so they're making a ton of money. And if you look at the pricing plans right here, so if you actually grind and you become a mega affiliate and you're getting 50%, then let's say you're getting one person to sign up every single day, right? You're getting one person to sign up every single day in the professional account. So that is $39 per month, and you're getting one person every single day. So by the end of the month, you've got 30 people paying you 39 bucks, paying the Pictory 39 bucks a month. So times 30, and then times 50, which is your commission. So now you're making $585 a month on autopilot for as long as these people stay subscribed indefinitely, right? So you can see that if you just get a lot of people, if you just keep doing that every single month and it starts stacking on top of each other, you can make well over $10,000 a month just from this affiliate program. And that's not even including the sales that are generated from the people that become affiliates under you. So those people that you refer and they start they buy the paid plan and they start referring Pictory to other people, you're going to be getting 10% of that as well. So you can make well over 10,000, maybe even $20,000-$30,000 a month if you actually stay consistent and create a lot of content about Pictory.ai. So you can sign up completely for free using the link in the description, and I hope you found this video useful.